Hey, what's up YouTube? It's your boy Jam0510 with another quick pickup video. But before I start, thank all my viewers, my subscribers for your support. Really appreciate it. And if you're brand new to my channel, if you like what I'm doing, if you guys can hit that subscribe button. And also really appreciate if you guys can hit that thumbs up. So this is my latest pickups from Footaction. I actually got both of these pairs from the Footaction App Reservation. So let's crack this open. As you can see, I have a Jordan 1 box right here, and I have a Jordan 3 box. And again, from Footaction. It's actually a store that I usually deal with. So let's crack it open. This pair right here is actually, it was readily available. Jumpman right there. Air Jordan 3 Retro OG. These are the black cement 3s. So I actually had a reservation from Footaction, Footaction, Foot Locker, and Champs, and the only one I decided to pick up was the one in Footaction. The one from Foot Locker and Champs, I actually declined to actually pick it up, so that it actually allowed other people to actually pick them up. So, but I do have another pair as well coming in from Finish Line. So. But this is just a quick look at this classic right here. You got the Nike Air in the back right there. You got the elephant print. You got the Nike branding at the bottom. Just a dope shoe in my opinion. I had to get multiple pairs of this shoe. Here is the other one right here. So this is the second pair that I have in hand, since I was able to grab this early from Nike. Through the Nike sneakers app right here, and I actually did a video on that already before. So that is the black cement 3s, and I know they sold out online, but as far as in store, I'm not sure, since there is a lot of pairs of them out there. So it actually allowed a lot of people to grab them, which is good in my opinion. But I know resellers didn't like it since the value of the shoe is not as much, so it's actually ruining their business, I guess. But it is what it is. But actually you should be just grabbing a shoe that you like anyway, instead of following what the hype is and what you could sell the shoe for. When I see like people posting online, questioning, oh, what's the resale gonna be and stuff like that, that kind of like annoys me. But it is what it is again. But these are the Air Jordan 1 gold toes, size 10, retail is $160. Colorway is black metallic gold. Again, was able to grab this off of the Footaction app reservation, reservation app. So I was actually surprised that these, were not as easy to grab, since I noticed that there had a lot of locations that actually had them, at least by me, and I couldn't grab them, basically from, the only other pair, I actually have another pair coming in from Finish Line, but that's actually going to be going to a follower of mine on Instagram, and so once that actually gets here, that shoe is going to get shipped out to him. So, but this is the gold toe ones. Just dope shoe in my opinion. Again, pretty much an all patent leather upper, the gold, the black, all patent leather, even the white, the Jordan Wings logo, the Nike swoosh, that's all patent leather. You got the nylon tongue right here. You got the Nike Air branding. You got Nike Air inside. Again, you got the different laces. You have the white, the gold, and the black that's actually on the shoe right now. And you got the black bottom. So, dope shoe. Missed out on the top 3s, but there's a good, I guess, consolation for that. So, again, my recent pickups, basically the gold toe ones right here. And then you have the black cement 3s. All right, YouTube, if you guys have any questions, hit me up, leave me a comment, or inbox me. You can also follow me on social media. I'll have all the links in the description. All right, YouTube, peace out.